Quick review. Venn diagram is used when data is classified into types, an example here, and line diagram is used when data is classified into ranges, an example here. You may want to pause the video and complete these two diagrams. You see tea 70%, coffee 50%, neither 25%. Sum of these three values is 145%. That means 45% must be the overlap. Therefore, 25% comes here and 5% comes here. The Venn diagram is complete and we should be able to answer all the questions based on it. In the second case, 70% scored 80% or lower, 50% scored above 40%. Sum of these two values is 120%. That means the overlap is 20%, and therefore 50% minus 20%, 30% comes in here, and 70% minus 20%, 50% comes in here. We can verify that sum of the different parts of the line diagram is 100%. Similarly, the sum of different parts of the Venn diagram is also 100%. Please pause the video and solve this question. 50 hours, 65 hours, 82% reported more than 50 hours, and 64% reported less than 65 hours. The overlap is 82 plus 64 minus 100, which is 46%. So 46% comes in here. Therefore, this part is 64% minus 46%. This is 18%. And this part is 82% minus 46%, which is 36%. We can cross-check that the sum of these three values is 100%. Therefore, our line diagram is correct. The question is asking this value greater than 50 hours but less than 65 hours. Therefore, the answer is 46%.